Blue color. Yellow color. Green color. I draw capital letter A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. P. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Let's paint red color. A for aeroplane. B for broccoli. C for cherry. D for donut. E for elephant. F for frog. G for gorilla. Yellow color. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. Green color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for Santa Claus. T for tiger. Blue color. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray fish. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.